Hey LinkedIn friends, Bob Swim from Public Speaking Cure. Today's video is 3 signs that your public speaking phobia has been holding you back in your career. So, in the competitive landscape of corporate success, conquering your public speaking fears is a non-negotiable. We have to get over our fears of public speaking in order to climb that ladder and progress in our career. And here are 3 signs that your phobia might be hindering your growth. Sign number 1, opportunity aversion. You find yourself avoiding high-profile presentations or leadership opportunities, basically just avoiding it altogether. And the impact is you're missing out on chances to showcase your expertise and climb that corporate ladder when you are able to present yourself as a leader by speaking up and doing presentations. Because obviously, in order to become a leader and go up the ranks, you have to be able to speak to your audiences and share your visions. Sign number 2, the voiceless innovator. Now, we can probably all relate to this one when we're like in a meeting and we're all talking about ideas and stuff like that. And all of a sudden you have a great idea pop in your head or something you just really want to speak to. And all of a sudden a worry pops in our head like, oh, what if they don't like that idea? Or what if I sound stupid, right? And then we never say anything. We hold back and then we always regret it later. So stifling your potential to influence and contribute to your organizational innovation is really important. So we got to get over our fears of public speaking so that when we're in those meetings, we are not afraid to speak up and share our great ideas and not have all those regrets later on when we find ourselves like, oh man, I had a great idea and I just didn't share it. And then you always have that regret later on. And number 3, career ambitions put on hold. This is when you refrain from applying for positions that require excellent presentation skills and experience. How many times have we done that? Maybe we saw a position or we saw a promotion, but all of a sudden it says great presentation or public skills required. And we just don't even fill out the application. We just hold back. And then of course, that's another regret later on because we're holding ourselves back in our career altogether now. So we're really limiting our career options and we're really missing out on those roles that align with our skills and aspirations. So how do we overcome the phobia and fear of public speaking? Well, I invite you to watch my free workshop. It's going to teach you everything about how to overcome your fear of public speaking and anxiety forever, no matter how severe it is or how long you've had it. So all you got to do is just click on that button. It's in the description or in the comments below. It's a 40-minute presentation. You're going to love it. You're going to learn about what we've been doing wrong and what we need to do going forward to get over our fears in public speaking forever. And we're also going to be educating you on how to overcome your public speaking fears forever. So I invite you to go click on that link right now and join that, and I'll see you inside. Thank you so much.